Okay guys, today we're gonna do a small, I'm gonna call them stay driven media quick tips. All right, these are gonna be videos that are like, you know, maybe at most 2.5 minutes long, really quick, simple videos. You can do really quick stuff too. That's not gonna be, you know, 5, 6, 7 minutes long or whatever. Just little quick things you can do, you know, to your car that can just kind of add a little more, you know, flair or difference to your car. Just with every install, it's always a journey with it. So with this one, we're doing the FOB programming, okay? Really simple. I got this one, you know, once again off eBay. Again, you know, I trust eBay, you know, for accessories and things of that nature. I don't really too much mess with like moving parts, gears, anything that goes to the engine. I don't really mess with too much. I mean, maybe other people may have luck with them, but I just, yeah, I'd rather go, you know, actual full-fledged name brand on certain things. But, you know, these little things that you can get for $4 or $5, go for it. You know, it's not going to hurt it too much, you know, too much. So, all right, we're going to get started. The process is basically, it's pretty simple. You get in the car, you lock all the doors, you make sure everything is locked. See there, door is locked. As you can see there, door is locked. All right, so this one, you're gonna go grab your key. You're gonna put it in 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I don't know if you heard it, but that light came on, the hazard lights. So what you do is you put it in, put it to accessory mode, flashed, open the door, see, it's actually locking, see, hope you guys can see it or hear it, but it's locking, see, the latch, let's try it for you again, it's open. And that's all using this. See, that's open, that's closed. So again, it's a really simple, really easy thing to do in your car. This is just, like I say, this is just bought from eBay. Really quick, 1-minute, 2-minute type of thing. It's not that hard. Once you get it in there, once you turn the car to accessory mode, you open the car up and then you just press it like that. That's it. Everything is all good. It's all programmed. You can get a bunch of these, man, for like $4 or $5. You know, I only bought one because I was like, let me just try it, because I was still kind of hesitant. You know what I mean? I was like, okay, if this don't work, I got to go to the dealership to get the big one, right? You know, and that one cost like, I think like 50, 60 bucks. So I was like, you know what? Let's go ahead and try this little $4 or $5 one. So hey, it worked. You know, if it goes out on me or anything, I can go and, you know, get about 2 or 3 more of these things and kind of keep them around the house. You know, just in case I lock my keys in the car for whatever reason or whatever, just to kind of have something to open my door and trunk and all that good stuff. So it's there, guys. Real quick tip: stay driven media. All right, and as always, stay driven.